Hello guys, this is Junaid Khan. Sorry for the late video because I have been busy for the past few days and I haven't find much time to record a video for you guys. So sorry for that. So now let's focus on the tutorial. In our previous video, I have teach you how to attach a Firebase project with your Android Studio project. So open up your Android Studio project and open up your Firebase project also. So in this video, I'm going to teach you basically how to store data in a real-time database. So click on this. You find when you open up your Firebase console and open up your project, then you can click on this database. So here we can see that there are two type of databases in Firebase. One is Firestore and one is real-time database. So we will focus on real-time database because it is easy to use and it is very play an important role in chat type applications. So click on this create database button. We will click on test mode basically because right now we are not authenticating our users. So basically we will use our real-time database in a test mode. Enable. So this will be creating our database. So here you can find it is showing basically warning to us that your security rules are defined as public, so anyone can steal, modify, or delete data in your database. So we will dismiss for this now. Okay. So here you can find that this is basically our main node in the database. So open up your let's basically click on go to docs. Basically this will open up the documentation. Click on get started for Android. So basically we will need a real-time database for Android. Get started, and this will take some time. Okay, so here you can find that this is the library to use a real-time database. I'm going to copy this. Click copy, open up your project, click on build.gradle. Here you can find that we have already have attached our Firebase core. So we will attach our Firebase database. Sync now. Here you can see this that library has been successfully attached with our project. Open up your main activity. So basically, Firebase works in a way that you have to create a reference for saving a data. So let's start by creating a database reference. I'm initializing now reference Firebase database dot get instance dot get reference. So here we will pass our node name. Basically, what we need to pass here that we need to create you have seen that this is basically a main node. We have to create some child nodes for this for saving our data in a Firebase database. So let's start by creating users. Okay, reference dot add listener for single value event, new value event listener. So here you can see that there are multiple value event listeners. Add, this is single value event listener, add child event listener. Okay, so basically what are the use of these listeners? So this will call only once if we are storing a data in our Firebase or in our node. So this will call only once. This function will call every time the value have been updated. This will help us in creating a chat application add a when we need to basically add listener for single value event, add value event listener. So this will these three functions will help us in creating a better application, you can say so. So I will call only for now add value event listener for single value event. So how we will store the data in our reference? We will store the data by using hash map. String object hash map new hash map. Okay, hash map dot put value. So here we will pass the name, basically name of the node, um, name of the variable, name of the element, you can say so. So we will pass a name, and we will pass exactly object. You can pass any value in that. You can pass an integer, you can pass a string value, because the second type of the hash map is object type, so you can pass any value in that. So we will pass Junaid in that, and we will pass also hashmap dot put age 24, and just like this. So reference dot update, or you can basically reference dot set value hashmap. This function will store the value every time I open a app. So let's start by running our app in a real-time data in a real-time device. And you can see our device has been connected. Press OK. Gradle build is running. So this will take time because the app has been running for the very first time. So don't worry for that. Here you can see our app has been successfully installed in our phone. So let's open our database there and check that value has been updated or not. So you can see uh, node have been created, and sub nodes with age and name have been created. So let's check that every time I open an app the value have been is updated or not. So let's open an app again. What's the name of the app? Sorry for that. Oh, tutorial project. So let's check. See, the value remains same because we have integrated a listener for single value event, so it will not call again and again. See, that's the difference. So let's change our name to Khan and run our app again and check that if value is updated or not. Check for that. Gradle build is running. Install. See, value is updated automatically. Okay, so by following this method we can save our data in our Firebase. Okay, so kindly subscribe our channel and press on a bell icon so you don't miss a single video from Proglabs official. Thank you so much for that. Take care. Bye bye.